Hello, I'm going to show you different ways to access the Media and Technology blog, and then I'm going to take you on a tour of the blog to show you the different features. One way to access the blog is to type in the URL bar phenomedia.blogspot.com. Another way to access the blog would be to use the QR code that is in the reference guide under the welcome letter. A third way to access the blog would be to go through the district website, go to Bridgewater Elementary, Media Center, and if you scroll down, right below the Daily School Announcements button is Mrs. Pheno's Media and Technology blog. If you are on the Chromebooks, you just click the blue arrow, click Manage Bookmarks, and then you will see Mrs. Pheno's Media and Technology blog from there. So this is what the Media and Technology blog looks like. Across the top are different pages. There's a home screen, what you are seeing right now. And here is where I update the blog weekly or bi-weekly with different happenings at Bridgewater. I also add some personal pictures as well, just as a relationship building piece. Over on the side, on the home screen, you can see different resources that I have for electronic readers. Each of these are live links. I have access to the daily school announcements and book talks from this screen, information on the Maud Hart Loveless nominees, and the Star of the North nominees. I have coding websites, a Makerspace page. There are different presentation tools from the Makerspace page. There are different live links from this poster that you can check out. And then I have my grade level pages. Keep in mind, if you would like a link added to your grade level page, to just email me and I can add the link to your grade level page so that your students have easy access to whatever resource you are trying to get them to. Thanks for watching.